Let's talk about the Paycheck Protection Program. So, if you haven't heard, Congress has approved an additional $310 billion for the Paycheck Protection Program. So, for some of you that may not know, the Paycheck Protection Program, known as the PPP, is a loan designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their employees on the payroll. Right, so the SBA will forgive the loans if all employees are kept on their payroll or immediately rehired for at least 8 weeks. The money needs to be used for payroll, rent, mortgage interest, or the business's utilities. Right, so make sure that you keep your receipts on any purchases or business expenses. So the Paycheck Protection Program is based off of your 2019 payroll. So you should have already completed your 2019 business tax returns. If you haven't done so already, you need to do so. Hopefully it's not too late. All right, so if you just started your company, January 2020, you need to provide a year-to-date payroll information. So that'll be January, February, and March. You would need to provide that documentation of what you paid for your payroll. Okay? So you can apply through any existing SBA 7A lender. So that can be your bank, such as Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, or you can use any type of fintech company like Cabbage, On Deck, PayPal. You can also apply with any federally insured credit union. So if you bank at a credit union, you can definitely use them as well if they're participating. So other regulated lenders will be available to make these loans once they are approved and enrolled in the program. Most lenders will require you to have a relationship established in order to provide you with the Paycheck Protection Program application. So you want to consult with your bank or local lender as to whether they are participating in the program and also if you have any additional details. All right, so banks and lenders have already started processing loan applications as of April 3rd, 2020. Okay, so this is the second round of funding for the Paycheck Protection Program. So if you missed the first round, this is the second round. So you definitely need to apply if you haven't already. So as of now, the Paycheck Protection Program is available through June 30th, 2020. This is a first come, first served basis. So first in, first out. You want to have already applied at this point. If not, you need to do so. I know it's a lot of business owners that still haven't applied. I'm still getting phone calls and emails that they're uncertain of what to do. So if you guys have any questions, I'll provide some information in the link below. Or you can reach out, give me a call, send me a DM, send me an email. So let me introduce myself. My name is Mustafa. I'm a former banker and business specialist at Wells Fargo Bank. I'm also the founder of the Business Credit Consultants. I help business owners obtain capital through a 3-step process of building business credit. So if you have a company or if you need to access additional capital, then that's what I provide to my clients. So who can apply for the Paycheck Protection Program? Any business that has less than 500 employees, any nonprofit organizations, or veteran tribal businesses. This is for any accommodations and food services with more than one location and less than 500 employees. This is also if you're a sole proprietor, if you're an independent contractor, if you're self-employed, you also can apply as well. All right, so if you own any type of barbershops, retail, e-commerce, landscaping business, you should apply for the Paycheck Protection Program. Again, check with your lender and see if they're participating. If they are, have your documentation ready and be ready to apply as soon as possible. All right. So the loan will be fully forgiven if at least 75% of the funds are used for payroll costs, interest on mortgages, rent, and utilities. Loan payments will also be deferred for 6 months. So there's no collateral or personal guarantees. Neither the government nor lenders will charge your business any type of fees. Okay, so forgiveness is based on you, the employer, that's you, the business owner, maintaining or quickly rehiring employees and maintaining their salary level. Forgiveness will be reduced if full-time headcount declines or if salary and wages decrease. If you had 3 employees in 2019, you need to have 3 employees in 2020. If you paid them the salary of $30,000 last year, then you need to provide that same amount of salary in 2020 in order for this to be forgiven. All right, so the loan has a maturity of 2 years and an interest rate of 1%. Again, if you follow all the steps, then this will be a fully forgivable loan. So what are the calculations for the loan amount? So let's say that you, the owner, paid your employee or yourself $30,000 in 2019. So you would take $30,000, divide that by 12 months in a year. 30,000 divided by 12 is $2,500. So you would take that $2,500 and multiply it by 2.5. That will equal $6,250. So you have a $6,250 forgivable loan. So that is how the calculations are done. Guys, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, send me a DM, comment, depending on where you're looking at this at. Give me a phone call, send me an email. Guys, if you haven't already applied, you need to do so. Check out some of the other videos that I'll post. And again, I'm here to help. If you're looking to 10x the amount of capital that you have for your business, definitely do so. If you need to go to my website and check out the video and set an appointment, I do free consultations, so I'll be able to help you out as well. Thanks. Talk to you guys soon.